Welcome back. It's Wednesday, and we're here with your midweek market update on VPTrade Daily Financial News. Don't miss a beat, subscribe and stay informed. The U.S. stock market dipped as investors exercised caution ahead of the Federal Reserve's final policy announcement for the year. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell for the ninth consecutive session, closing at 43,449.90, a streak not seen since 1978. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 slid 0.39%, and the Nasdaq dropped 0.32%. Driving the tension are robust U.S. retail sales, which increased 0.7% in November, signaling strong consumer spending. While investors anticipate a 25 basis point rate cut, the real focus will be on Fed Chair Jerome Powell's commentary and economic projections. In Forex markets, the dollar surged to new highs against the Australian and New Zealand dollars. Japan's Nikkei index slipped 0.3%, but auto shares surged, led by a record 22% jump in Nissan stock as investors cheered potential consolidation talks with Honda. Traders are also pricing in higher long-term interest rates in the U.S., keeping the dollar's momentum strong. The euro was under pressure at $1.0502, while the yen hovered around 153.6 per dollar. Optimism in U.S. equities has reached new heights, with the Nasdaq and S&P 500 achieving record-breaking performances this year. However, some analysts warn that extreme valuations and unprecedented optimism could signal a potential correction. Experts suggest that geopolitical risks, such as European instability and China's economic struggles, could be the catalysts for a market pullback. As one analyst put it, valuations alone may not trigger a correction, but they certainly change the risk calculus. Oil markets traded within a narrow range as investors awaited the Fed's rate decision. Brent crude edged up to $73.31 per barrel, while West Texas Intermediate rose to $70.19. Sanctions on Russian oil shipments by the EU and UK have added volatility to global markets, but U.S. crude inventories saw a 4.69 million barrel drop last week, potentially signaling stronger demand. Analysts remain cautious, especially with ongoing geopolitical tensions and concerns over inflationary policies. Finally, in commodities, gold prices inched up to $2,648.43 per ounce as markets braced for insights into the Fed's long-term rate trajectory. Analysts predict that any hint of fewer rate cuts in 2025 could push gold prices higher. Elsewhere, silver dipped slightly to $30.46, while palladium rose 0.3%. Meanwhile, energy markets are monitoring natural gas prices, which rebounded due to renewed supply concerns from Russia. That wraps up today's news. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button and leave a comment. We'll be back tomorrow with more market updates. Have a great Wednesday.